How's it going, everyone? My name's Ed. I'm a client of David Bain, owner of Everything Credit, and I wanted to make this video about my second experience with him and his team, and specifically the attorneys, which has rendered or resulted in this. That is a second settlement check. I made another video previously, so you can go view that as well. It's been second to none with Dave. Simply put, he delivers results. That's what his clients pay him to do, and he does it. He's an awesome guy too, very humble, caring, kind person, hardworking, blue collar, work ethic that just cares about people and wants to do the right thing. In this society, you don't find that often. So if you want your credit repair done the right way, Everything Credit's the way to go. Now, on the contrary, there's a company that I hired before Dave, Pinnacle Credit Repair. Needless to say, the owner and the only person working at that brand, or that company, I should say, is an egotistical, self-centered dickhead named Andre Nguyen, Andre Rose, whatever name of the moment he decides to go by. For all we know, he's probably a tranny. That being said, again, you want your credit repair done the right way, you go to David Bain, and I'll put my own reputation on the line for him. He's absolutely stellar. No one in the industry like him. Flat out and simple.